Hello， 爱家人，我是 Angel Huang， 钻石大师，来自加拿大。这一次能够参与爱多美之旅，真的很开心，也感到很欣慰，自己学到很多东西，也和自己的伙伴们能够一起从早到晚，一起和大家一起出去玩，然后一起参观工坊，一起拜访中心。那来到这里真的很开心，所有的中心长还有剧总，大家都很热情的款待我们，谢谢大家。那今天参加成功学院呢，也觉得收获满满，看到台湾的会员们都这么的认真，那么的向前走。那看到整个会场满满的都是人，让我相信我们加拿大也会更好，然后有一天我们也可以办成这么大一个如此的盛会。谢谢。
The mountain top, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitch's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
一定好。
Feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
Taiwan tour. This is so amazing. Taiwan was very, very welcoming. We have so much fun. And you know, in the bus tour, we were with all the Canadian members, and we got to know each other's success stories, and we were all so motivated. Today, we are here at the Success Academy, and all the leaders are giving the speech. When I'm listening to it, you know, like I was so touched, and I was thinking of myself, and I know that everybody can be successful in Atomy. So everybody, whenever you have a chance, do take part in all the success tours. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Christy. I'm from Canada. Taiwan is so beautiful. I went to so many places and it's amazing. The food is so good. So I really like the food and the people here. Thank you so much, Taiwan. Aja, aja, aja.
I'm so thankful that Atomy Canada and Atomy Taiwan have given us this Taiwan trip. This is the third time. With the exposure, the collection built, and the experience, it has played a critical part in my and my partner's personal growth and business expansion. For sure, without this trip, I couldn't have achieved what I have attained now. So thank you, Atomy Canada and Atomy Taiwan.